Hi, Greg. Thanks for being with us today.
Sure thing.
So I have a couple of questions for you. First off, thank you for creating a product that we support called Warewulf many years ago. I've gotten a lot of questions on where that name came from. So first, tell me, what is Warewulf and where did this name come from?
The name actually comes from kind of what it is. It is a software implementation of the Beowulf. The Beowulf is an HPC architecture that we've been using for almost 30 years now. It's been incredibly impactful, but how do you build a Beowulf? That's what Warewulf was designed to do.
That's awesome. Okay, so we got Ware for the software and Wolf for the Beowulf model.
Yep, and this is why I cannot spell the actual monster werewolf to this day, because it is spelled W-A-R-E-W-U-L-F.
Right. That's exactly, and I absolutely love it. And we actually have the coolest logo in all of life, our Warewulf logo. So hopefully we'll be able to share that with you real quick. Okay, so the next thing, Greg, if you would be so kind as to tell us why you developed Warewulf and what it is.
So Warewulf originally came because I was tasked with building a bunch of HPC systems. And, well, I was already kind of busy, so didn't have a lot of time to go and build these other systems. I wanted to figure out, is there a way that we can more optimally manage these HPC systems? Because an HPC system could have hundreds or maybe thousands of compute nodes in it. And each compute node is a standalone server for all practical purposes, but every one of them is pretty much identical to all of the others. So how do we take that and scale that? That was the whole point of Warewulf. And Warewulf now allows you to take a single image or a group of images and assign them out to hundreds or thousands of compute resources. And it always was built around the idea of volatility in the operating system, or non-persistence, which means that as soon as you turn it on, it gets the whole image. And you turn it off, it forgets who it was. It has no context because everything is written to memory. Nothing's written to the hard drive. Now we've extended that to the point where you can actually write things to the hard drive. Warewulf 4 is going to be getting those features very, very soon.
Greg, you basically created Warewulf back in 2001. And now that we have moved forward all of these years, it's 2024, Warewulf has its own open source thriving community that is absolutely amazing. And CIQ, as our company, your company that we work for, is helping maintain this project. And we're providing support, customizations, trainings, and everything and anything else that people need around Warewulf.
One of the super interesting things about Warewulf is that it relies on this notion of a image that you're going to blast out to all of your compute nodes. Warewulf 4 now leverages containers for this. So you can use Docker, you can use Aptainer, whatever you want to maintain and build your container images. And from that, you can now import that into Warewulf and then provision that out to your compute nodes. So CIQ is adding a lot of value on top of Warewulf in a variety of different ways. As you said, custom features, support, but also the ability to provide ready-made turnkey node images that gives you the ability to immediately just have solutions to a variety of different problems in a supported way.
Yeah, that's really awesome. It is amazing to me that, a problem can be solved so many years ago, and then iteration upon iteration upon iteration and support from the community. Warewulf is an amazing, thriving community with a lot of different companies that are providing resources and valuable engineering hours to continue to move that project forward. And here we are now in 2024 looking into this, vast expanse of what is possible in the tech world. And Warewulf is at the cutting edge. So another thing that we do is we provide an opportunity for customers to come in and get some help migrating. So if they're on a different provisioner or they're doing something else, and they're like, hey, you know what? Warewulf solves a lot of my problems that I would like to utilize this, then we can help with that as well.
Absolutely. As you alluded to, Warewulf's been around for a really long time, partially because I'm just really stubborn and I don't give up on things. And well, as a result, Warewulf is very long-standing solution within the high-performance computing ecosystem. And at this point, we've seen a lot of shift in this part of the area of the ecosystem, where a lot of the other provisioning systems, toolkits, and solutions are kind of going away, which means Warewulf now is becoming the lead, if not the only, real provisioning system out there for high-performance computing. And we're seeing a huge amount of interest and uptake as a result. And as always, CIQ is here to help. And we believe in open source. We believe in making sure the community has everything that the community needs to be successful. But if you need a hand, if you need any additional capabilities, we're here to help. So reach out to us.
Absolutely. We'd love to talk with you.